Have you ever wondered what's really happening inside your mind when you're solving a problem, daydreaming, or even just listening to your favorite music? Your brain, weighing just 3 pounds, is more powerful and complex than any computer ever built. But what exactly makes it tick? Today, we're breaking down what's inside your mind, uncovering the secrets of the most mysterious organ in the human body. At its core, your mind is powered by billions of tiny cells called neurons. Each neuron communicates with others using electrical impulses and chemical signals. Imagine a bustling city, with neurons as the people and synapses, the connections between them as the roads. Every thought, memory, and emotion you experience is the result of these neurons firing in patterns. It's like a symphony of electrical signals, playing in perfect harmony. When you learn something new, your brain physically changes. This process, known as neuroplasticity, allows you to adapt and grow, no matter your age. So, when you're struggling with a complex math problem or learning a new skill, your brain is literally reshaping itself. Think of your brain as a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Emotions are what make us human, and they're controlled by a special part of the brain called the limbic system. This system processes everything from love and happiness to fear and anger. The amygdala, one of its key components, acts like a fire alarm, always on the lookout for danger. But your prefrontal cortex, the rational part of your brain, keeps the emotions in check. It's like a wise mentor, helping you make thoughtful decisions. Memories aren't stored in a single place in your brain. Instead, they're scattered across different regions. When you recall a memory, your brain pieces together these fragments like a puzzle. That's why memories can be vivid and detailed, but sometimes incomplete or even distorted. Every time you revisit a memory, your brain rewrites it, subtly changing the details. So your memories aren't static. They're dynamic stories that evolve over time. While your conscious mind is busy solving problems or planning your day, your subconscious mind works behind the scenes, processing information and guiding your behavior without you even realizing it. From breathing to making quick decisions, your subconscious handles millions of tasks every second, making it one of the most powerful aspects of your mind. So, whether you're learning, feeling, or simply daydreaming, your mind is constantly at work, shaping your experience of the world in ways you're not even aware of. But we've only scratched the surface. Want to know how different parts of your brain work together to create thoughts, emotions, and memories? Then stay tuned for our next video. The Brain Breakdown, exploring the powerhouses inside your head. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join us as we dive even deeper into the mysteries of your mind.